Oh, look at these little beauties. These are, let's put that one down. These are Rhodohypoxis. It's a little alpine bulb that we've been growing in pots here in South Wales in the UK for, well, that one must be 10 years or more, and they've been out in all weathers. We've had quite a few degrees of frost, and they've had layers of snow on them, and yet each year they come back fuller and fuller with the. Now they come in various colours. You can see that one there is kind of a rosy pinky white, and we've got a little kind of miniature one here. I don't remember planting him, but he's lovely, very compact. And we've got this kind of deep magenta-y pink one here, and the conditions they like is really well drained. It's an alpine, well, I would have said it's an alpine bulb, but generally to pick up any plants of this, you buy them as a plant. Very rare that you would see it sold any other way here in the UK. And in fact, there's a chap in Wales shout out for Charles, hello Charles, there in Twinkle Nurseries, who supplies a lot of the garden centres in South Wales with some lovely Welsh grown plants. Nice gritty compost, you can see there we've got grit and pebbles in there so that the water drains out, and that'll help them because they reckon they're frost tolerant to about -5. Well, these have had colder than -5 on them, but it's very, very well drained. So any plant or bulb that is a little bit tender, if you give them really well drained soil or really well drained compost, they can cope better. So mixing in some sand and some grit with the compost, we grow them in pots so that if we did get a really prolonged nasty cold spell, we could probably pop them into a shed or into a porchway or something like that to protect them over the winter. But I, to be clear, have never done that with these. They've stayed outside for the last about the last 10 years. They die back down below ground over winter, so if that happens, don't panic. They're not dead, they're just gone dormant, and then they all shoot out again in the spring and then produce these flowers, which start around about the end of May and go through June, maybe into early July. So it's late spring and early summer, and I think they are delightful for even the smallest garden. Even if you haven't got a garden, you could put it on a windowsill, I suppose, or a balcony, in one of these pots. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Rhodohypoxis.